Hi guys, it is May 15th, 2017 at Free Home Farm, and I am here visiting my peeps. The broiler chickens are getting quite large, so we'll go visit them. And I actually brought some roosters from my house here to the farm, so we're going to drop them off and visit the laying hens. So come on and we'll go visit the chickens and goats and dogs and see how everybody's doing. The weather has been very nice lately, so we have the chickens out on pasture full time. We have tractors for them, Salatin style tractors, but they really like to move around. They like to eat the grass, so we're giving them some space to move around. They see me coming, so they're saying, "Feed me." Hi guys, you're looking good. You need some more food? And I walked towards the food and they all followed me. They are all huddled around my feet, waiting for me to fill their food. Hello, chickens. Hi. They're looking good, nice and big. Hi, chickens. Here's the tractors. They can go in here if it's sunny or if it's raining. And if we need to, we can close them up in here to protect them from predators. But for the most part, we just let them out to eat the grass and move around in the sunshine and act like chickens. Act like chickens are supposed to. So they have a way of slipping through the fences though, so I see some in some other areas where maybe they're not supposed to be, but that's what you get with free range. Hey, chickens. They've trampled most of this area flat around their food and water, but they still got plenty of green, tall green stuff around the edges, and some tall stuff right here. Hi, guys. You see they're eating grass and clover. Hey! And they pull the tops off of the plants to get the seeds and the flowers. They do eat quite a bit of grain. We just figured they'll be eating about, we just counted the number of bags we have left, they'll be eating about 50 pounds a day for the next 2 weeks. And the grain that we get is New Country Organics. So it is 100% organic, non-GMO, not sprayed with pesticides, and no soy. We get soy free. And here are our girl goats. They're in the pen with May. And they're doing pretty good, just eating some grass today. They're getting big. I think I'm actually going to take one of them, Cookie. Is this Cookie? Hi, Cookie! Cookie's standing right here next to the fence. I'm probably going to take Cookie home with me today to my backyard where I have some overgrown kudzu and stuff growing. So she might be coming home with us. But we've got, out here we have Coco and her two daughters, Pumpkin, Spice, and Latte. And of course May, the guardian dog. They're all getting along very well. I can hear some roosters off in the distance. Hello! Here are all the roosters that we've hatched this year. And when we are butchering the broiler chickens, we will also butcher the roosters because they will make good soup. So I just brought 2 more from my house where I was hatching and raising the young ones. I brought 2 more adult roosters here to add into the rooster pen, and I will put the hens in the run with the rest of our hens, and we just have a couple of roosters in there, not a lot of roosters. So here, now I will move the rooster tractor. Just try to hold it steady. Very wet in there. Alright, that'll give them a little bit of green for now. Did we get another feed delivery today? Yes. They've been apart too long. This might be bad. Come here. Come here. I'm gonna put these in with the hens.
Are those hens?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks. Let's see if we can see them through the hole. Hey! Checking out your new home. What do you think? What do you think? It's your new house. I think we have eggs in here. Let's see. Oh yeah. We need to bring the egg basket down and collect eggs. Okay. chores are done. Everyone's been fed. We refilled all the water, collected the eggs, and I'm ready to go inside. It's hot out here. Anyway, so you've gotten to see our pasture-raised broiler chickens. These are chickens good for baking or grilling. They will be ready in just a few more weeks. So we will begin processing June 1st, and our first pickup day will be June 3rd. And then that's a Saturday, and then the next 2 or 3 Saturdays we'll also have some available for pickup. We have about 125 here out on the pasture now, and about, I guess, 90 of those or so are for our family. So the rest we can sell, and we will be selling them for $7 a pound. You can pick up here at the farm in Freehome, Ball Ground, or you can pick up in Roswell, and we will vacuum seal them or shrink wrap them and freeze them. So when you pick them up, they will be frozen. So if you would like to purchase some chicken from us, send us an email at freehomefarm@gmail.com, and we will send you the order form. And you gotta do it fast, because like I said, there's only like 35 chickens or so that we have for sale.